ASUS has launched its latest ZenBook series lineup of laptops that are powered by Intel 11 Gen's Tiger Lake processors with OLED display panels. On my right side here is the ASUS ZenBook Flip S OLED UX371, which is currently the world's thinnest 13-inch 4K convertible laptops. Let's have a quick unboxing and see what's included when you purchase these laptops. Inside the box are the laptop, some documents, 65W power bricks, ASUS stylus pen, a sleeve case, and a USB-C to 3.5mm audio combo jack. There are a lot of familiarity design adopted from the previous ZenBook laptops, made of aluminium alloy which is lightweight and solid, the signature concentrate ASUS logos on the back and chamfered edge making the laptop look clean and premium. The overall laptop is incredibly lightweight and thin at only 1.2 kg and 13.9mm thickness. Being a convertible laptop, the ZenBook S Flip features a 360-degree ergo lift hinge design where you can use the laptop in normal laptop mode, 10, and flat like a tablet. The laptop display supports finger touch and ASUS active stylus pen that can recognize up to 4096 pressure sensitivities. Coming to keyboards and touchpad, it features an edge-to-edge full-size backlit keyboard with 1.4mm key travel which is tactile and responsive. The new ASUS NumberPad 2.0 integrates with a numeric pad on the touchpad, enabled with a single touch, and these versions retain the cursor function without the need to disable the number pad. I can adjust the number pad brightness and launch the calculator apps with just a swipe. Coming to ports, on the left side there are two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C that support up to 8K display output, 40GB per second data bandwidth, and a full-size HDMI port. While on the right side is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 and a power button. There's no fingerprint scanner, instead it features an IR camera that support window halos, is fast, reliable, and even work in dark. If you need to use wired earphones, the provided USB-C to 3.5mm audio combo port has high-res audio certifications. These ultra-thin laptops packed with comprehensive specifications including Intel latest Tiger Lake 11 Gen's i7 1165G7 processor with Intel Iris Xe graphic cards, 16GB of 4266MHz dual-channel LPDDR4X RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6, and a 67W battery. Here comes the highlight of this laptop, the OLED display. The ZenBook Flip S OLED features a 13.3-inch 4K OLED display with touch capabilities. Like any other smartphones, the OLED or AMOLED display is reserved for flagships or premium devices. There's a reason why with the huge bezels at the bottom. This allows you to hold and write or sketch comfortably in tablet mode. The display has ridiculous deep black, accurate colors, high contrast and details. It's Pantone validated, VESA display HDR500 True Black and TUV Rylan certified. The ZenBook Flip S UX371 has the best display laptop that I ever reviewed. Here's a comparison between a traditional IPS panel versus ASUS ZenBook Flip S OLED UX371. The gorgeous display with the premium builds making the ASUS ZenBook Flip S OLED UX371 one of the most stunning convertible laptops available on the market. It's available now for RM6799. A more comprehensive written review will be available over on my website at daddiemobile.com. The link will be in the description box below. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia. I do how-to, tech unboxings and reviews on this channel. And if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.